Let's work on po. So it goes this way. Po. It often used to translate some Chinese words. For example, 葡萄山. Okay, this is a to to. Okay, and Xi'an shan. Xi'an shan. It's a very famous Buddhist mountain in the Zhejiang province. Okay, so the Chinese goes this way. Po, pu, tuo, shan. Okay, but Manchu, 葡萄山, and it also as Alin. Alin, in the Manchu language, it's mountain. So in the Chinese, the shan is mountain, but in Manchu, they often use Alin again to reinforce. It's really a mountain, 葡萄山 Alin. Okay, so Po, at the beginning, Po looks this way. Okay, this goes down a little, tells you there are more syllables. Okay, so for example, Po. So this is a Chinese word, Po. Okay, like a cannons, big guns. Okay, so it's a long word from the Chinese language. Okay, Po in the middle, in the end. Okay, I can't think of anything, so I just write them down. Okay, so Po in the beginning, Po. Okay, so in the middle, so it just goes down, and then here. Okay, it just goes down again. This is in the middle, and then in the end, so it just ends this way. No more. See, Po po po. Okay, so let's work on Pu. Pu, you just repeat Po. Just repeat it. Put a dot. So Pu Pu. Okay, so it's also a long word from the Chinese. So Pu. It's like a shop. Okay, a very small shop where you can buy stuff. So in at the beginning, like a pusali, so it's the same thing. It's a small shop. Pu se li. Okay, so pusali is like a puza. Okay, just add a z here. Pus. So pusali, a very small shop. You can buy stuff. Another example is a pusa, pu pu, and sa, pusa. Okay, so it's a Buddhist word. It's called a bodhisattva. Okay, so pu pu pu. Let's see, pu 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 pu. Oh, sorry, pu pu. Okay, and the pu. Yep, this doesn't exist. All right, just don't worry about this word. This pu 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 stuff. It's long words from other languages. Okay, so let's work on po. Okay, so just repeat po. Okay, and then add a small two. Goes this way. Po. Okay. Oh my. Let me think of something. Po. Oh, I can't. Po. I can't think of anything. So let's just work on. At the beginning, it looks this way. Po, and then in the middle, just goes this way. Po, and then in the end. Okay, so yeah, I add a small tail. Okay, so pour. If there is a such word, I just made it up.